5 Incredible health benefits of eating walnuts daily. 1. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. 2. These nuts boost brain function, enhancing memory and cognitive performance over time. 3. Rich in antioxidants, walnuts help combat oxidative stress and support overall cellular health. 4. Incorporating walnuts into your diet aids in weight management, keeping you fuller for longer. 5. Enjoying walnuts can improve your mood, thanks to their nutrient-rich profile and healthy fats. Add walnuts to your diet for a healthier lifestyle.